For our assignment this week, I chose to create a cell using mostly various toys. A cell is the first living level of the hierarchy and carries out all functions of life. The plasma or cell membrane encapsulates the cell. It provides its shape and protects the cell, which can be shown here using the cord. In the very middle of the cell is the nucleus, which is the yellow circle. The nucleus is the control center and it holds DNA. It also contains the nucleolus, which reproduces ribosomes. The edge of the yellow circle represents the nuclear envelope, which surrounds the nucleus. The endoplasmic reticulum is shown here and contains extensive channels known as cisternae. These blue Lego pieces are the rough ER. The rough ER contains ribosomes, which is the pegs in the blue Legos. Ribosomes are small organelles that read genetic material and produce peptides and proteins based on the specific segment of DNA code that's read. The smooth ER is shown here as this black smooth cord. The smooth ER is continuous with the rough ER, but it doesn't have any ribosomes in it. It detoxifies the cytoplasm. The Golgi complex is a collection of flat sacs which these books represent. The Golgi complex puts the final touches on peptide and protein synthesis. It also synthesizes carbohydrates. Finished proteins are packed into the Golgi vesicles, shown here as the light blue balls, and are transported within the cytoplasm. Lysosomes are specialized Golgi vesicles that travel in the cell and break down particles, shown here as these yellow balls. White blood cells use them to break down bacteria, and the liver uses them to release stored glucose in the blood. They contain digestive enzymes that break down material. Peroxisomes, shown here as these dark blue balls, resemble lysosomes, but aren't produced by the Golgi complex, but the ER. They detoxify cells by producing hydrogen peroxide to break down particles. Mitochondria are also known as the powerhouse of the cell, are oval organelles that synthesize ATP using a variety of starting materials. These are the yellow Legos shown here at the bottom. The last organelle is centrioles. They are paired organelles in perpendicular fashion, and they contain numerous microtubules, shown here as these red Legos. Microtubules are proteins that function during cell division and are responsible for the cell dividing equally.